Welcome to the Tortola, a stunning Caribbean collection villa here at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Step through the foyer and the whole home just opens up before you. The great room feels bright and airy, made for easy, breezy coastal living. And this kitchen is a showstopper, with a big island and gorgeous pendant lighting. Gather around the dining room for slow sunset dinners with friends. And out back, your very own screened lanai with a sparkling pool and spa. The primary suite is a private retreat with a peaceful view of the water. The spa-style primary bath features a dual vanity and a roomy walk-in shower. 2 guest bedrooms give your family and friends a place to unwind. And there is even a dedicated laundry room to keep paradise tidy. This is the Margaritaville life. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.